Hey there, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how to test the notch to take a screenshot on your Android phone. First, you need to install application to do this. Go to Play Store, search for application called Test the Notch. Install the first application. After installing, simply open it. This is the main area of this application. Go to record permission. There is a drop down menu. Click on the menu. You will find two different options: touch the notch, phone state. There is a tick button beside touch the notch. Tap on the tick button. It will redirect you to this page. Under more section, you will find downloaded apps. Tap on it. Here you will find touch the notch. Tap on it. There is a toggle switch. Make sure this switch is enabled. If it's turned off, simply turn it on. Now go back to the settings area of this application. Here you will find settings. There is a drop down menu. Tap on the drop down menu. You will find single touch. Go to single touch. In the action area, choose take in screenshot. Simply choose this option. Now you are all set. Go to any area. Simply touch the notch to take a screenshot. That's it. A screenshot has been taken. That's how you can customize screenshot taking activity on your mobile phone that easy. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in my next video.